Microsoft Paint is going to start looking like Photoshop, and not just that. Here's what you should know with the latest Microsoft event. Earlier this year, I spoke about how Microsoft is trying to turn their AI into this companion-like feature. And one of the major updates that they're getting right away is a complete redesign of the companion itself. It's going to start looking much more like card-based. Besides that, it is also getting the ability to have a vision, that means to look at what is happening in your screen, and a change in the voice with what you must have already heard or experienced with OpenAI's ChatGPT's advanced voice models if you have been using them. So Microsoft Paint and Photos application will now be having the ability to generatively erase or fill objects with just text prompts. And not just that, there's also a super resolution mode that allows you to use the slide bar and increase the resolution of a specific picture. They claim that you could do this up to 4 times, meaning almost like a 4K resolution of a regular HD image. Besides this, its vision capability allows it to look at what's happening in your screen and give you instant feedback. We already saw them demonstrating this earlier this year with the Minecraft game, and the AI assistant helping the player to get along through a very tricky situation. Similarly, in the demonstration that they showed a few days ago, the user is interacting with the AI assistant and asks questions of old recipe cards, and it is able to read it, understand it, and also respond accordingly. And the natural tone that it responds with actually gives this feeling of actually having a companion with you. Not just that, but also you have 4 different voices to choose from as you set this up. And there's also a virtual news presenter feature that actually reads out the top headlines for you like an actual news reporting app. Not just that, but the Windows Copilot PCs are also getting a revamped Windows search feature that allows you to browse through all of your files and photos in your Windows PC. Besides that, they're also getting the Google Circle to search like feature, which they are calling the click to do feature. And also you'll have the ability of looking up pictures with just text descriptions. Anyways, that's some of the major updates from this event. I'd really like to know your thoughts about them in the comment section below. If you found this video interesting or useful, leave it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video.